Guess who I am? I'm Arrietty from the movie Arrietty. The Secret World of Arrietty might be the full name. It's the last day of the month, and I wanted to film my intro in my Halloween costume. This is what I'll be wearing tonight while I give out candy to trick-or-treaters. I'm really excited. My nose is running because I'm wearing makeup, and I can't do anything that involves pigments or colors without my nose running. By the way, my name is Chris, and I'm an artist person who makes videos about like my life and my art. This month's video will be in 4 acts. The first act will be about an event that I did live painting at, and then the second act is called Birds, and that's about making birds. And then the third act is about my small business on Etsy and kind of filling orders for that. And then the fourth act is about the Halloween spirit. You know, this month I really embraced the Halloween vibes. I was kind of luxuriating in the Halloween vibes, to tell you the truth. I hope that this video inspires you to make art. Maybe you're making art while you're watching it. Because you know what? If you like making art, you should make time for that. And you should do it. I don't know, sometimes we need a little push to do the things that we really love the most in the world, and that's kind of sad. But go have fun. Sorry, my nose is really running. Anyway, if you don't subscribe to my video, I'm gonna stab you with my pin sword. Just kidding. But if you want to see videos from me every month, please do subscribe. Yeah, happy Halloween. So I got asked to do live painting, so like painting in front of the public at a silent auction that benefits cats. So of course my plan for my painting involved a cat, and because the event was in October, we also decided to have like something vaguely spooky going on in the painting, so that's why the cat is on a skull, but it's still cute because that's me. This was my little table where I was set up. I actually did this event last year in December. So I was back, I was painting, it was exactly like last year. I just put my head down and I painted my little booty off, okay? Because I really wanted to finish during the event, which was about 3 hours. Spoiler alert, I did not finish. I got pretty close, I'd say, but I'm just such a perfectionist with this type of like opaque, clean lines painting that I was not comfortable giving this to the person who got it that day, because this was auctioned off for hundreds of dollars to benefit cats, so it was just so cool. Zoom in on my nose, please. Yeah.
You know, and it looks great, and then they bought it, and it's theirs, and as is, you know.
Hey, Chris.
Hi. I made this painting. Oh, it has a shadow on it. Please don't fall down. So, I like to make birds right now. If you don't know what to make a bird. I don't think this painting is like particularly amazing. I want to make things. And I had these different colors of paint that I felt inspired by, and I felt inspired by birds, and I just made it. The end product is good. It's fine. It's not like, I'm sure a lot of people don't think it's good, but that's not what matters, right? I'm happy I made this. I look back at this time and I'm like, oh my gosh, I had so much fun making this. I love to paint. I loved the time I spent there, even if my nose was running like a faucet the whole freaking time. It was so fun to do. I'm not a big like pastel person, but I've been playing with these this $1 set of oil pastels that I got from a thrift store. And this, I don't know what these are. They feel like oil pastels or, you know, something like that. You know, a couple Fridays this month, I went outside with my coffee and I sat at this table and I made bird pictures. And it was awesome. Here's one. This is a wood stork, inspired by seeing a wood stork. And I haven't worked with pastels in a really long time, so it was kind of just like an interesting experience. They've always frustrated me as a medium because of how messy they are, the colors, blending, and the crumbs. But I had a lot of fun and I'm learning. I'm old enough now to learn how to use them. And then I also made this with the oil pastels. I think they're not, I'm learning. You know, I don't know if they're special, but I'm learning. I got an Etsy order for a pair of these clay earrings, which are meant to look like Cardamon's mallets in Bee and Puppycat. Those aren't the earrings I send, those are like my first prototype pair. And so when I get an order for these, I have to make them. And I use this lightweight clay, which is really finicky, but fun to use because it's very sticky. But it is kind of a lot of work shaping the earrings.
No, I'll use a little more. should have put these so much higher up. It's gonna look stupid.
I like it. Those are the eyes?
Mm-hmm.
I think that looks
I need
cute.
a little black.
Mine's gonna be a soot sprite.
Mine's gonna be so horrifying you can scarcely imagine it until you see it with your own eyes.
To be Arrietty for Halloween, I found this silver poker. I don't know what this is. If you know, let me know. At a thrift store. And then I put this crane game capsule on top. I like drilled a hole. And then I painted it yellow and I glossed it to look like a pin, a sewing pin. And then I found this red dress at the same thrift store. It's kind of amazing. And I had this hair thingy from when I went to Ghibli Park in Japan. Should I stab the sleeve? It already has a hole. Like that. I just had these shoes. And they're so perfect because they look just like her shoes. I just had this bag.